Woo! At 85 degrees today. I'm gonna make this intro short, sweet, and to the point before this lace starts lifting. Welcome back to the channel. It's Mika Lynn. Here we are, another quick wig review. Big thank you to our friends at Outre for sending out this unit. If you are interested in purchasing, definitely check out the link. It will be in the description box down below. Hit that subscribe button before you go. Drop me a comment and of course share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now let's get into the lady of the moment, baby. This human hair blend lady of the moment. Ow. Outre, are you giving me blowout type of tease, baby?
Baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you wanna have one, yeah. You with the hottest under the sun, but be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for, fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required, 'cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You said you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you some. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargained for, one dessert, but you ain't finished dinner.
I do have some styles that I do want to try with this particular unit. I am going to start with this braided style, and so far so good. Okay, the frontal, the closure did what it had to do. Okay. So I did go ahead and take the liberty of putting some lace tint spray on here. I'll go ahead and pliggity plop her on my head and we will see what we are working with. Do not walk out the house with your wig like this, especially if you watch this channel. One thing I do not like about this hairline, it is definitely too round for me, especially on the sides, but we're gonna make it do what it do. A little bit of the Ebin Styling Foaming Lotion. I'm just gonna place it right at the hairline. Do one happy swoopity swoop down.
Required, 'cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to some.
Listen, this was done in under 5 minutes with the lace still attached. And I think for the sides, the only thing I would do is definitely cut this or trim it. The back, I would tug on it a little bit just to kind of bring down the lace in the back, mess it up a little bit, and you pretty much have a very nice, easy, low effort style in just like 5 minutes. Come on through, Outre. Come on through.
Grateful, I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, you.
And boom, just like that, I did the old switcheroo. Listen, so just a couple of things to note about this particular unit. This is a human hair blend by Outre. If you're interested, check out the description box down below. I think the parting space came together phenomenally once I added the knot eraser to this unit. It's just a simple strip of tape that you can put into your frontals or your closures. It is linked in my Amazon storefront, so definitely check that out. And it definitely makes this parting space pop, baby. Poppington, ow. I do have ample amount of parting space on this particular unit. I think the middle part looks really good. This also looks good in a ponytail too, boo. And for the hairline, I did leave it as is this go around. So this is part of the unit, and if you want, you could just brush this down a little bit to blend it in a little bit more, which I'll do right now for all the naysayers. And then this is the wig as well. The only part of my hair is this right here, but everything else blends really seamlessly with my natural hairline. And I think the density on here is on point. However, do not break this out when it's 85-90 degrees, because baby, you will start sweating like a pig. I said what I said. But bringing this out during the 50s or 60s, I think you're pretty much good to go, because this is a thick unit. She definitely is thick with it. Now, for whatever reason, I did think that a human hair blend would maybe not give me as much of an attitude, if you know what I'm saying. But she is giving me a little bit of a bite. You know, she's stomping her feet a little bit at the bottom. So, you know, I would definitely keep my paddle brush handy with her. You don't want to walk out the house and be paddle free ish, if that makes sense. But other than that, I think this looks really good. Definitely different styles that you can hit with this unit. I really have no other complaints. So with that being said, if you are interested in checking out this unit, definitely hit up the description box down below. It will have all the information. Will take you directly to the Google search link. Shop accordingly, swipe accordingly, slay accordingly. Big thank you to Outre for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely drop me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. And just a quick mention, YouTube, I believe, has reset their algorithm. Whatever is going on, a lot of you are not getting notifications, so please make sure you ring the bell. If you aren't familiar with what that is, look at the animation somewhere in this video. If you have already rung it in the past, unclick it and ring it again so you are notified of all post notifications for this channel. Definitely share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Try to make you if you ain't really ready for it.